are here at Richardson's Hospital. A new patient, all set to be discharged, all set to go home. He's come from the south of India, the southernmost part in Kerala, for treatment. When he reported to us, his complaint was that of facial asymmetry. Okay, I'll brief you on the pictures, the pre-operative condition and the change that we've got. But first we'll proceed with the removal of the dressing today. It's a Dynaplast removal thing on day 5. It's generally the most dreaded one by everyone. So a little bit of cleaning is needed. Okay, all set. You can have a look at yourself. Okay, so I'll just brief you on the case. When he had come, he's a young fellow, all 17 years, right?
Yes.
17 years of age. He complained of facial asymmetry. So if you can zoom in on his previous picture, you see one part of the face looks a little sunken when compared to the other. It is specifically when we see on the malar region, slightly on the left buccal region, and with respect to the chin, he had a very short, small chin, not a muscular one specifically. Coming to his current view, the work that we have done on him is a genioplasty with both horizontal and vertical augmentation to give him his profile the right view, the right length. If you can see on the left side where there was a little bit of fullness, we've removed the buccal fat pad and also worked on the malar region. Okay. We can see a profile view. So if you can turn on one side. Okay, so if he turns on his right, we can see the chin being way too receded. If we draw a straight line from this nasal bone to the upper lip to the chin is around, say, 4 cm behind. And if we see this look, we have got the chin ahead, both in vertical and horizontal direction. If you can look a little straight, you see there's still a lot of swelling because work has been done primarily on the left side of the face. The swelling will take time to subside. Okay, complete swelling around 4 to 6 weeks. You can have a look at yourself. You can also compare your previous and your current pictures. The frontal view, please. Yeah. The puffiness, the fullness over here will take some time to go. Okay, because work has been done in the upper cheek. Okay, you can see the chin, you can see the new dimension has been added to it. Okay, I'll just look on the sutures, stitches which were given inside the mouth. If you can open your mouth a little bit. Okay, very healthy. Look a little up, little bit more up. Okay, all good. Okay, how is it? Are you able to see a marked change? Yeah, swelling is there, I agree, swelling is there. It will take some time and probably the results will be evident to you only after 4 to 6 weeks, after the complete swelling subsides. Okay, as per diet, generally a soft diet, no restriction as such. Okay. Okay, so this is a case of facial asymmetry, dressing removed, healing quite healthy, satisfactory, and all set to leave. Okay, thank you.